I'm a cheerful robin, and I love singing in the trees. Look out for my red breast in your backyard.
Hey there, male-friendly sparrow, always hopping around and chirping. You might find me near your home, enjoying a quick snack.
你仰望在那里 go, soaring high in the sky with keen eyes. I represent strength and freedom in the bird world. Hello little friends, I'm a hawk, known for my sharp vision. You might see me gliding effortlessly as I search for my next meal. Nocturnal creature, I love the night and keeping an eye out for all the interesting things happening in the dark. Hey kids, I'm a blue jay, known for my vibrant blue feathers. You'll often hear my noisy calls as I go about my day in the trees. Hello, I'm a pigeon, a city bird. You can find me in parks and plazas, and I might even eat crumbs right from your hand. Greetings, young ones, I'm a cardinal, and you can recognize me by my bright red feathers. I bring a splash of color to your gardens. Caw-caw, I'm a clever crow, always up to something interesting. You might see me using tools and solving puzzles with my fellow crow. Hi kids, I'm a finch, and I come in various colors. You'll often find me flitting around flowers, enjoying a sweet nectar treat.